Greetings. So it's been a while since I actually concentrated properly on my YouTube channel. And as I've been trying to grow on Twitch for the past 4 months, I thought it might be an idea to bring back the YouTube channel, but I want to offer different content as to what's on my Twitch channel. So not necessarily stuff from streams and that sort of stuff. I still want to put some best ofs in there, and that's one of the things my community has asked me to do. But I want to give other content as well. And one thing I always used to do was unboxings. Every month I'd get a Loot Crate or a Nerd Block or a Geek Fuel, that was the other one. And I'd unbox that. However, after so long of doing that, I ended up with a lot of geeky crap. Stuff I had nowhere to display, nowhere to put, and nowhere to store. So if I was going to start unboxing again, I want to do something else. Something that, yes, is a monthly thing that I can unbox, but also doesn't leave a huge space that I need to try and store. So why not unbox something that is edible? Which is what I've gone with. So, this is the first month and the first time I've ever gotten one. Tokyo Treat. I'm looking forward to this. When I was in Japan back in 2016, I loved seeing the assortment of ollies they had there, and such different varieties compared to what they have here. I believe, I can't remember whether this was a joke or not, but I'm fairly certain there's like 70 odd different flavors of Fanta there or something like that. That's probably exaggerating. But a lot of different flavors of Fanta, whereas here we've got orange. So anyway, let's dive in. I have been keeping this in the fridge. I actually got it 2 days ago, but I had no time to unbox it. So I've had it in the fridge, so hopefully that hasn't messed with anything. But it's also summer here, so chances are it would have been more messed up if I left it out of the fridge. Also, I apologize for lighting. I've got that key light for my streaming. However, it is a bitch to unattach from the desk, bring out to record YouTube videos, and I'm needing that 7 days a week. So I need to get a secondary light source for this desk, which I'm hoping to do in the next few weeks. So if you can bear with me for the shitty lights for the time being, let's get stuck in. Okay, don't cut yourself, don't cut yourself, don't cut yourself. Ooh, didn't cut myself. That's a plus already. Alright, here we go. Oof. And that's exactly what the single male wants to see, is celebrating Valentine's Day. Oof. Alright, we can have a look through that. Ooh, something fell out. I can read that stuff later, a little booklet. Let's get stuck into the goodies. Now first, because I'm going to need something to wash all this down with, I thought we'd start with a drink. And it is a Welch's Rosé Sparkling. I have no idea what to expect, because those are literally the only words in English on here. And it's got pictures of grapes, purple grapes, green grapes, and strawberries on it. So yeah, I have no idea what to expect, but okay, that's worrying as well. It's got Asahi, however you pronounce it, the beer or whatever it is. So this could be there can't be alcoholic content in this, surely. Whew. It's nice. Tastes a bit like purple Hubba Bubba. Alright, let's move on to the snackies. So, first we have chips with chocolate on them. Why not? I mean, Ben & Jerry's have an ice cream that's got chips in. Or crisps. Smell interesting. Focus on the chip, not on my face. There we go. It's not for me. Alright, let's see what else we got here. Some sort of panda faces. At least this one's resealable, so... Yeah, get into it. Ooh, are these gummies? Oh no, they're cookies with chocolate on, but from the looks of it, they melted a bit and stuck together during transport. Oh, they smell good though. Mmm. Strawberry coated Bickies. Very nice. I'm guessing this is one of those ice cream cones with marshmallow top, probably filled with sherbet. We used to get here, especially around Eka time. Let's see if I'm right. Yeah. Going with marshmallow in. It's very nice, but does it have sherbet in, or is it marshmallow all the way? It's marshmallow part of the way, and then just hollow. That's nice though. Quite like that. I'll finish that in a second. Next we have prawn chips, which I won't be touching because I can't stand seafood. And I was going to give any fish-flavored stuff to my housemate to try. Fortunately, he's allergic to shellfish, so I can't even give them to him to try. So I'll find someone to eat these. They won't go to waste. Next, we have a broken cookie. Very pretty packaging, though. Matsuoka. Let's open her up and try. Very fancy packaging for a single cookie. If I can get into the damn thing. There we go. Oh, it's a rice cracker. It's just a big ass rice cracker. Nice. Right, next we have I can't tell, but I hope to hell it isn't fish. We'll give it a go though. Or at least a sniff test. Ooh. Smell curryish. Very nice. They're the other sort of rice crackers. With a nice little spicy sort of seasoning. Very nice. Next we have... see, it's got a crayfish on the front of it, or whatever it's called. I'm very hesitant. We'll give it a smell. If it's fishy, I ain't eating it. Yep, that's fishy. I ain't eating it. You can go with that. Oof. And again, I don't mind weird concoctions. It's fish. I can't stand it. I'm not going to be able to keep anything else down if I try and eat any of it. Ooh, now we're talking. Looks like a jam scroll, or whatever you'd call it. Slightly more normal. Tiny thing for such a big packaging. Oh, that smells good. It's basically a jam scroll, a sponge thing. Very tasty. So if it seems like I'm rushing, I've got a small time frame for these things because I can still only upload short videos on YouTube. Alright, what is next? Oh, that was really nice. These things look like they're going to be coffee flavored. Again, provided the packaging isn't misleading. So far they've been rather on point. They show a prawn, chances are it's prawn cracker. They show a crayfish, chances are it's going to be fish. Alright, let's see. Give it the old sniff test. Can't tell. Looks a little bit like cat food. There's the camera up there. Oh, it's quite nice. It's like a breakfast cereal. Light, crunchy, with a slight flavour. Pour them in your bowl at breakfast. Unless, of course, the whatchamacallit. Not table of contents. That's not what it is in food packaging. The breakdown, whether it actually says, you know, one serving is one thing and it's got like a heap of sugar in it. Soba meshi. I have no idea what this is going to be, but let's give it a go. Lots of little crumbly things. Again, like breakfast cereal, like rice bubbles. Yeah, they're savoury rice bubbles. Oh, now I make it out. It's got what looks like fried rice on the packaging. So what's inside is rice puffs. That's savoury flavoured. Let's have a little bit more rosé to wash it down. It's nice and refreshing. Alright, next. Oof. Yeah, this feels like something that melted during the journey. It hasn't quite re-solidified. Unless it's like taffy. This is going to be difficult to get into, methinks. Hopefully it's just gummy that's really, really airtight. Oh, that's another thing I won't eat if it ever comes up in this. And that's seaweed. I just can't do it. And I have no idea what this is. Ah, it smells a bit funky. And feels a bit sweaty. It smells vinegary. Alright, we'll give it a go. I have no idea what the fuck that is. Yeah, I don't know. I'm going to get the housemate to try it to see if he can decipher what it is. Sticky, though. Alright, need another refresher. Okay. Next we have a little thing. Now this looks like a little gummy. That's more my style. I'm a gummy guy. Correction, it's a marshmallowy thing. Come on, out you come. Come on. Out you come. Out you come, little fella. Come on. It's stuck to the goddamn packaging. Ugh, I have to tear it out. Yep, just torn it open and there's stuff inside. Smells interesting. Let's give it a taste. I think that was supposed to be jelly stuff in there and maybe it got messed up on the journey over. That one's quite nice. Alright, next. We have a big bag of strawberry flavored Kit Kats. Very nice. Again, this is all Valentine's Day oriented. Ah, they're individually packed. Even better. I'm guessing these might have gotten a little bit melty in the journey over. Yep. They are no longer the shape they're supposed to be. Oof. Come on, don't want any more beard. Well, I've got some in my beard. Oh, it's really nice strawberry coating. That's delicious. Ah, missed something here. What is that? I still have strawberry in my beard. Ah, bloody do. This is the next thing. What on earth are you? Whatever it is, it broke in half. It's like a longer rice cracker thing, but this one's a bit sweet. That's rather nice. Put you back in the packaging. Alright, down to the final two. We have whatever this thing is. Guessing it's a marshmallowy cookie sandwich thing. And hopefully the fish shape is just a shape. That's pretty cool. Comes in packaging to make sure it stays safe. Ooh. It's completely sealed. Oh, it's ice cream cone wafer. Inside got a little bit messed up on the journey over. That is really nice though. Alright, and last, Pocky. We have chocolate Pocky here in shopping centres. I've seen it in Woolies anyway. If I can get into the damn thing. Sure, these packed, but I'm guessing these are going to be messed up. Again, chocolate easily melting on the journey over. Yes. So these were, or are, pretzels with a bit of chocolate on the outside. Very nice. Definitely looking forward to the next one of these. This is going to be a monthly thing. Again, who doesn't like snacks? It's going to take me a bit to get through all this though. So, thank you very much for joining me. I'm planning on having some content. I'm trying once a week to get something out. We'll have some blind box unboxings, another snack crate, different one from America that should be from all around the world, but it ships from America. I'm going to have some reaction videos, stuff sent through to me from my community on Discord, and some best ofs of streams, things like me falling off my chair live on stream. Yeah, that's a fail. Yeah, thank you guys for joining me. Hopefully I'll see you guys again next time. And yeah, we'll make this a regular thing. Definitely check out the links at the end of the video and in the description if you want to see more content by me. Thanks. See yous.